I just did my makeup, put my makeup on, and my hair's pretty just damp. And so I'm gonna blow it a little bit, and then I'm gonna use manipulator, and I might be a little bit long to be doing the mohawk, but I'm at least gonna spike it. So I'll probably for sure be using this Enjoy Dry Wax. I may use some of this manipulator too, and I'm certainly going to use the Freeze and Shine hairspray that's got to be. So, all right, so let me see what I got going here. I don't want to make it too roundy. I'm going to kind of just get it going that direction right now. Let's see about that. I'm going to fast forward this. I was watching my other hair video and I thought, well, my Lord, I didn't know I frowned that much. Okay, got to turn it on and turn it up. Alrighty, it's pretty dry. Okay, now I think I will start off with manipulator. You know, this stuff, remember I used it all last time? Because I can control it a little bit like this, and then I'll use the wax, the dry wax. I can't remember if my daughter's hair was this long or not. I'm so excited to go out and eat. Isn't that crazy? It just seems like such an exciting thing. Our kids gave us a bunch of cards to go eat at all different places. We love that. That's a fun gift for us. Okay, all right. Now, because I'm going to put so much stuff in here, I'm probably going to have to wash my hair after this hairdo. You know, I mean, before I fix it tomorrow. Because I don't wash it every day. Pretty often, but not every day. Oh, this is so stiff. Let's see if it works. I may have messed it up with the manipulator. It's a little bit long to be, but I can get it going in that direction, yeah? Wow, it's a lot of product, but you know, maybe the manipulator should have been left out. But let me control it with the, I want this to all be spiked out too. It shouldn't just be all nice and, okay, so I'm gonna get the Got To Be hairspray and I'll control it with that too, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, so let's see what we're doing here. I don't know. Would you call that kind of a mohawk or not? See how curly my hair is. Oh boy. Mohawk. But I'll tell you what. Let's see what we think. Oh gosh, I've got so much product. I think that's the problem. You know, you think of a mohawk as straight and but I think I got it too curly. Well, I think to do the mohawk, I'm going to have to blow it dry straight. So we're going to have to call this one, and it's not really spiky because I've got too much manipulator on it now. What would we call this? Just curly? I don't think I can spike it with so much manipulator in it. I think I've got too much manipulator because I would need to control it better with this dry wax. Now, my daughter I think she just used the Got To Be, but she's Korean. And so she has very different hair than I do, of course. You know what? I'm going to go see what my husband says. I got to go get his opinion, see what he thinks about this hairdo. Okay, I'll be back. I'll tell you what he says. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, he said, oh, it's cute. Oh, it's cute. So he likes it, I guess. So, okay. Well, I gotta do my next things. What do I call this video? It's not a mohawk. We're gonna call it the curly pixie. How about that? Okay. Yeah. The curly pixie. Okay, all right. Tell me your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe and give me thumbs up if you like it. And tell me what you think about the curly pixie. That's what we're going to have to call this one. It's the curly pixie. And then I'll work on this. I'll practice maybe, and then we'll do a video on the mohawk. Yeah? Okay, tell me your thoughts. Later. God bless you. Have a super good day. And tell somebody you love them. And smile at somebody. You'd be surprised. I think they might smile back. I was telling all my daughters that one day. I said, just smile at people and just be kind and greet them. And so we were on this little adventure that day. I had all the girls with me. And we pulled up to a convenience store, and this lady was sitting there, and my daughter that never hardly ever talks or anything, and I have to make her smile and stuff, and then she goes, hi, how are you? And she says, go to hell. We all just about died laughing. She goes, well, that's the end of my smiling and asking people how they are today. It was just a disgruntled old lady, but it was funny. Okay, you guys have a super good day. My love to you. Bye.